Hello guys, so I'm assuming the reason you're here is because you are trying to make money online. Have you heard of crypto mining? The practice of validating and adding new transactions to a blockchain network, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, in exchange for newly minted cryptocurrency tokens is referred to as crypto mining. Miners employ powerful computers to solve complicated mathematical problems, ensuring the legitimacy of transactions and the network's security. This method necessitates a significant amount of computer power and energy usage. Mining for cryptocurrencies has gotten increasingly specialized and competitive over time, necessitating the use of specialized gear known as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, for efficient mining. However, the energy consumption connected with mining has created environmental concerns. To address these problems, several cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, are shifting from proof-of-work (POW) mining to more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms such as proof-of-stake (POS). The project I'm going to be talking about today is known as BondX Origin. BondX Origin is a decentralized fintech-enabled app and environment that allows crypto users to become stakeholders in the BondX ecosystem. Its goal is to bring together a community of people interested in earning and using bitcoins. The platform provides a utility token called BNDX that may be used to exchange rewards, incentives, and ecosystem governance. BondX Origin's overall goal is to empower individuals to engage in the crypto revolution, expand their digital wallets, and capitalize on the opportunities given by cryptocurrencies. So, enough of the insights about the project. Let's get into it. Step 1, you'll find a link in my description. Click on it and it will take you to the Google Play Store, from where you can download the BondX application. Once you're done with the installation, open the application and the interface will look something like this. Click on Sign Up. Now, enter your email. Create a password. And click on Sign Up. Enter this invitation code. Now, verify your email. And you're good to go. Come back to the application, and log into your account you just created. You will see such interface. Now, if you want to increase your mining rate, fill out few of the details in your profile. You will have to log into the application every 24 hours to start mining. Mine as much BNDX tokens as you can. And refer as many friends as you can to increase your mining rate. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss further updates about BondX Origin. Join our Telegram channel for updates and more crypto-related strategies and much more. All the necessary links are mentioned in the description. Thank you guys. And I'll see you in next video.